This is called Caged Bird. Caged bird looking outside, are you happy in there or wish you could fly? Do you sing 'cause you're happy or is that how you cry? Caged bird fly, caged bird fly. How did you learn your sweet melody? Are you singing for others outside wild and free? They come and they listen in the dogwood tree. Caged bird fly, caged bird fly. Or are you unaware of your captivity? In your safe little world, just like you and me. If I return, I hope I can be a bird on the wing singing high in the breeze. But if I'm caged, how sad I will be. Caged bird fly, caged bird fly, caged bird fly.